I'm here in the beautiful sensory garden at Conwy Culture Centre to celebrate National Poetry Day. I'm going to read one of my favourite poems from a book called Poetry Cure, published by Blood Axe Books. And it's called Sometimes by Sheena Pugh. Sometimes things don't go, after all, from bad to worse. Some years, muscadel faces down frost. Green thrives. The crops don't fail. Sometimes a man aims high and all goes well. A people sometimes will step back from war, elect an honest man, decide they care enough that they can't leave some stranger poor. Some men become what they were born for. Sometimes our best efforts do not go amiss. Sometimes we do as we meant to. The sun will sometimes melt a field of sorrow that seemed hard frozen. May it happen